Hi everyone, I am Sakshi and today is day 57 of English Speaking Challenge. And today I am here to speak on a new topic, and that is today's generation as well as compared to old generation. So let's start. So today's generation. What does this generation defines? So what generation means the surrounding which shape us. For example, our grandparents have seen was different generation. Our parents have seen some changes, and we are facing are more changes like technology. So the major difference between our generation and old generation is technology. Today, everything can be everything can be done using technology. AI has been so fast that in everything can be done with the help of technology. We can buy foods, we can buy groceries, we can buy clothes, we can buy books, we can visit from one place to another easily. By we can do everything easily, but during our grandparents generation these things was really minimum. We were not able to do what they were not able to do what we are doing today. Our parents have also seen many changes, and we are known as Gen Alpha, Gen Z. So these things are used in today's generation. They categorize generation as well. So there are mainly the difference is what technology. Then it comes career. Previously people used to do work for government job or become engineer or do for medicine, but now people are also focusing on content creation. They used to make reels, they used to make shows, videos, they used to make shorts. But these things are good or as well as bad also, because sometimes it distracts people's mind. Previously people used to enjoy a lot. They used to watch they used to sit together in a park, they used to enjoy the nature. But today no one like to enjoy nature. They spend their time in scrolling reels and watching television. So there are many so there is pros also and cons also for this today's generation. Pros is that learning has become easier. Previously learning was not easier as it is today. As uh, previously what was happened that everyone has to go to school or college to learn, but now we can learn online learning also, we can have distance education also. And tuition, if someone is living in a village, he can learn through tuition also, online tuition. So there are many benefits also as well as there are disadvantages also. But I can assuredly say that what bonding we used to see in old generation, this type of bonding is not seen in this generation. This time many used to hate others. For example, in content creations, many people used to hate others, that and there is no much good bonding as it was used to be earlier. So I will conclude that generation will change, generation by generation it will change, and it's depend on us, and it depend on us how we manage and how we adapt into that environment. Because our parents have seen different things and they are now adapting also. They used to ask some questions from children, that how to use smartphone, how to use smart TV. So these changes are coming. But I will say that yes, bond which was before which was at that time of our grandparents was purely a great bond. But today there is no great bond, because there are many dirty news also come on the social media day by day. So we can say that people, their mindset, previously the mindset of people was good, and now the mindset of people is also becoming bad by watching shorts or reels. So that's all for today, and if you are liking my video, please like, subscribe and share and comment. That's all. Thank you and have a nice day. Have fun. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.